Get 2 weeks of free Nitro. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, just open your browser and type like me Discord free Nitro and you will see this first site, official by Discord. I also leave you this link in description of video. Just open this site and you will see 2 days ago updated free Nitro trial for May 2025. Just scroll here down to check eligibility, read this if you don't read any trial in the past 3 months. If you don't any cancel Nitro subscription, just read this all. Deadline for promo, it's May 23. Scroll here down, how to read them. Eligible users can start their free 1 week Nitro trial as soon they log in into the Discord, desktop app or browser client. This gives you opportunity to enjoy 2 weeks of free Nitro. All eligible Discord users, you will see this photo. If you're eligible for Discord Nitro for 2 weeks. Example of free Nitro trial window. I also leave you this link guys in description of video to read more about free Nitro. I think that's it all guys for this video, how to get 2 weeks of free Discord Nitro. Move here to home and you will see here Nitro and you will see the new window, only if you're eligible. Or you can see it here like me, just go on user settings on this gear and move here to Nitro. Also Nitro will available here. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.